Astronomical numbers of patients who are dying from this. The community needs to take this very seriously. It's been really tough on our team. Even though we're used to seeing patients dying, it's difficult because families can't be here all the time, and it's been much harder because we're dealing with families that are on phone calls sometimes or over Zoom watching their loved ones pass.
They're pretty sturdy. I'm so sorry, excuse me.
We have the same circle of friends outside in the community. Our families live here. And so it is a tight-knit place. It's rather large, but surprisingly, you have that hometown feel to it. And so I think that takes a toll when you hear, your neighbors in the ICU bed next to you, or, so-and-so's dad, is in one of the beds. And you hear that a lot every day. And I think that is really hard for people. You hear a lot of negative comments about, it's a fake disease, this isn't real. It's so hard to swallow, when you're in the middle of it, living it every day, when your nurses are breaking down and crying on the unit because another patient died or they had to call another family member in. That's really hard.